Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show some steps how to create a Google Cloud instance. Before you're creating any service in the Google Cloud, you have to create a project. This gives you an option to organize your work according to the projects that you are doing. To start with creating a project, you select this option, and there is an option here that gives you the chance to give a name to the project, and automatically the project has a number and ID, which later can help you to organize your work. In the navigation bar, there are all the services that the Google Cloud offers. We go to the compute engine and we use the VM instances. As you can see, I have previously created some instances, but they are in Ubuntu and also in Windows operating system. We're going to create a new one. This is going to be basic since the homeworks that you have to do with Google Cloud, they are simple instances and then don't require lots of memories or storage. So first you have to create a name. You can change the name automatically. The Google Cloud give instance name and increment instances number. And also I'm going to leave the name in this way, but maybe if you want you can change it. Also I'm going to choose the Oregon, and then you can choose different regions. Also, in the machine configuration, there are different types of instances. I use the general purpose option. They are more advanced one. If they are advanced in the service and also have different price. E2 is the cheapest service for instances, but the other one they have different kind of configurations and also provide different services and have even a higher price. I chose the A2, which is the cheapest one, and is enough for the homeworks that we're gonna run. Also, in the machine type, there are different options. I choose the A2 Micro, which is the cheapest one, and as you see, the price has dropped. And if we go down in the boot disk, there are the option to choose the operating system, and I choose Ubuntu. There is one Windows Server, and I choose only the standard persist type, and I leave the size 10 gigabyte as default. If you can see in the boot information, you have Ubuntu is a license free and the name of the instance. Also, um, the other configuration is the firewall. I choose allow HTTP traffic, allow HTTPS traffic. This allows that the port 443 and the port 80 to be configured in this instance. Kind of the same with options that you had in AWS to configure the port 40 and 443 and the port 80 in their configuration list. And I configure. Of course, there are more options here, but they are more for advanced, and these are mostly the basic configuration for an instance. And then I create it. It's gonna take some time for the instance to be created. In the moment that it's gonna create, it's gonna show some basic information here, like the instance name, the zone, and also internal and external IP. The reason why I don't have an external IP for the other instances is that the other instances that I have created, they are in a stop status and they are not running. As you can see, the status of the instance that I just created is running. It has a green color, and also it shows the external IP and the internal IP of the instances.